We'll begin by cutting our 1/8 inch deep sides. Now when we flip this to do the other end, we want to take the 1/8 inch cut off of the same 3 faces. And without moving the fence, I'm going to raise the blade to 1/2 inch and perform my next cut. And before I get too far, I do want to test this with my leg to make sure that it does fit and I don't need to do any minor adjustments. And this fits real nice. So I will continue finishing the tenons. And those tenons look good and they fit great into the leg pieces.